The PMT function in Excel is used to calculate loan EMI, equated monthly installment, based on the loan amount, interest rate, and tenure. PMT formula syntax. Bash copy edit equals PMT, rate, NPER, PV, FV, type. Where rate equals interest rate per period, monthly interest rate, NPER equals total number of payments, loan tenure in months, PV equals present value, loan amount, FV, optional, equals future value. Usually 0 for loans, type, optional, equals when payments are due 0 right pointing arrow end of period. Default. 1 right pointing arrow beginning of period example. EMI calculation for 65 crore rupees loan amount, PV, equals 650 million rupees annual interest rate equals 9.50% loan tenure equals 24 months. Step 1. Convert annual interest rate to monthly. Since interest is compounded monthly, we divide the annual rate by 12. SQL copy edit equals 9.50%, 12 equals 0.00791667, or 0.79% per month. Step 2. Apply the PMT formula in Excel. MATLAB copy edit equals PMT 9.50%, 12, 24, 650 million. This will give the EMI amount, which will be a negative value, since it's an outgoing payment.